realm of relationships, being missed by someone is a testament to your significance in their life. It's a silent acknowledgement of the connection you share, the memories you've crafted, and the moments that linger in one's thoughts long after they've occurred. Whether you're at the starting line of a budding romance or deep within the comforting embrace of a long-standing relationship, the desire to be genuinely missed by your partner is universal. However, the art of making someone miss you isn't about mere absence or creating a void. It's much more profound. It's about leaving an indelible mark on their heart and mind, a gentle echo of shared moments that stirs feelings of nostalgia, warmth, and yearning. Each relationship is unique with its rhythm and nuances, yet there are universal threads that weave through the fabric of every romantic bond, threads that, when tugged gently, evoke feelings of longing and desire. Let's delve into the intricacies of these threads, guiding you through ways to make any woman not only remember the time spent with you, but also deeply yearn for it. As we navigate through the following sections, you'll discover the delicate balance of connection, space, and authenticity that forms the cornerstone of making someone genuinely miss you. 1. The importance of emotional connection. An emotional connection is the bedrock upon which meaningful and lasting relationships are built. It's what differentiates a deep, intimate bond from a superficial attraction. An emotional connection means truly understanding each other, being attuned to each other's feelings, and forming a bond based on trust and genuine affection. Understanding her needs is paramount. This involves recognizing her desires, fears, dreams, and aspirations, showing that you genuinely care about her well-being. This sense of understanding often leads to her feeling connected to you on a much deeper level. Listening plays a pivotal role in forming this bond. It's not just about hearing her words, but genuinely understanding her emotions, thoughts, and concerns. This kind of attention shows respect and value for her feelings and experiences. Being truly present in the moment is crucial. In a world filled with distractions, giving her undivided attention signifies that she is important to you. These moments of genuine presence are what she'll remember and yearn for. Sharing vulnerabilities is also essential. When you open up and show your true self, it creates a space for deeper intimacy. This trust invites her to share her own vulnerabilities, creating a shared space of trust and understanding. Lastly, consistent support is vital. Being there for her both in times of joy and adversity reinforces the bond. Celebrating her achievements and standing by her during challenges makes her feel valued and cherished. In conclusion, fostering an emotional connection isn't a one-time act but a continuous effort. By prioritizing this connection, you not only make her miss you but also create a relationship built on mutual respect, trust, and genuine affection. 2. Giving her space. Giving space in a relationship is often misunderstood. Many fear that distancing oneself might weaken the bond or create a rift. However, in many cases, the opposite is true. Giving space can be one of the most potent ways to strengthen a connection. Every individual has their own world, comprising passions, dreams, and routines. Respecting this individuality is crucial. When you give her space, you're essentially acknowledging her unique identity outside of the relationship. This understanding often leads her to value the bond even more, as it comes without the weight of restrictions. Furthermore, continuous interaction can sometimes lead to monotony. Just like how continuously listening to your favorite song can make it lose its charm, being with someone all the time can sometimes dilute the special moments. By allowing for moments of absence, the time you do spend together becomes more cherished and memorable. Additionally, relationships thrive on trust. By giving her space, you convey a deep sense of trust in her and the bond you share. This trust creates a safe environment where both partners feel secure, valued, and free to be themselves. Lastly, the anticipation and excitement that builds up when you're not constantly together can be exhilarating. The joy of looking forward to seeing someone after a short break often translates into missing them deeply. Thought 3. Consistent communication, the balance of space and presence. In the age of instant messaging and social media, maintaining a connection is seemingly simple. However, true heartfelt communication in relationships can be more nuanced than one might think. It's not about bombarding her with messages every hour, but about the depth and genuineness of those messages. For instance, a heartfelt inquiry about how her important work presentation went, or expressing hope that she's feeling better after a down day can resonate more deeply than several generic messages. Such interactions show attentiveness and genuine care about her life. Active listening plays a crucial role in communication. It's not just about what you say, but how you receive what she shares. Genuine interest in her stories and experiences can create a stronger bond than many words. However, it's equally essential to avoid overcommunication. Not every conversation needs to stretch for hours. Sometimes a fun meme, a quirky emoji, or a brief goodnight call is all that's needed to make her smile. Moreover, everyone has a unique communication rhythm. It's vital to understand and respect her style. If she values her space during work hours, recognize that and find moments that are conducive for both. Lastly, not all communication needs to revolve around significant events. Discussing a funny incident, sharing thoughts on a recent movie, or even playful banter about favorite foods can be endearing and build connection. 4. Be genuine and authentic. In our modern age, with the omnipresence of social media and the pressure to portray idealized versions of our lives, being genuine and authentic is more crucial than ever. Authenticity is about being true to who you are, without the masks or facades. When you present yourself genuinely in a relationship, it deepens trust. Trust, after all, isn't just about honesty. It's about being consistent and reliable in your words and actions. Being genuine also enables a deeper connection. When you share your true emotions, vulnerabilities, and aspirations, you allow the other person to really get to know you. This kind of intimacy goes beyond the superficial and creates a bond that's hard to break. It's these bonds that lead someone to miss the moments of genuine interaction and the emotional depth they bring. Moreover, in a world where many are trying to fit a mold or live up to certain expectations, genuine individuals are a breath of fresh air. They become memorable because they offer something different, something real. This makes you stand out and can lead to someone valuing your presence more, longing for the refreshingly real interactions they have with you. Lastly, relationships built on a foundation of authenticity tend to be more enduring. They are less likely to crumble under pressure or challenges because they're rooted in truth and understanding. This longevity means that as time goes on, the bond only gets stronger and the feeling of missing someone intensifies. In conclusion, deep connections, whether in friendships or romantic relationships, are built on the bedrock of trust, understanding, and mutual respect. In our journey to make someone miss us, it's paramount to remember that the sentiment of missing someone should arise from genuine affection, and not from a sense of obligation or manipulation. The essence of making someone miss you lies not in the quantity of time spent together, but in the quality of moments shared. Each interaction should be a reflection of care, authenticity, and a genuine desire to know and understand the other person. When these interactions are genuine, they leave an indelible mark on the heart, leading to a natural longing in one's absence. Furthermore, as we've discussed, balance is key. While it's essential to foster deep connections and create memorable moments, it's equally important to respect individual boundaries and allow for personal space. This balance ensures that the relationship remains healthy and doesn't become suffocating. In the end, it's the simple things that matter most: a heartfelt conversation, a shared laugh, or even just being there during challenging times. These are the moments that make someone feel valued, appreciated, and ultimately missed. So, as you embark on this journey of building connections, remember to always come from a place of authenticity. Let the desire to make someone miss you be a reflection of the deep bond you share, rather than a tactic or strategy. After all, genuine feelings and emotions can't be faked. and they are what make relationships truly meaningful and lasting.